So, how to use the television at Stone Mt BnB breakfast. First you turn on the TV. Let's let the television start up and Google Chromecast will start. Then you connect to the internet by using the code or typing Stone Mt BnB. Then once the TV has started up, give it a little bit of time. The Google Chromecast will start up. Check that you are connected with the Wi-Fi. Then you can stream things from your phone. Once you start up the stream on your phone, you push the little thing in the bottom. It looks like this. You see this little thing here, and then it will ask for your room number. You push your room number and it will start streaming on your TV.